Today we are making chicken korma. Take a small sized onion, put it in a blender and blend it into a paste. Then take a pan and add 1/3 cup of oil. Add the onion paste from earlier. Mix well and let it cook. Add 1 bay leaf, 2 black cardamom, and cinnamon sticks. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Now add the following spices: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or according to your preferences. Mix well. Add some water and do panai, which means to let it cook. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. This will be used only for color. Add 1/2 cup of yogurt. Mix well and do panai again. When panai is done, add 1 pound of chicken. I am using boneless chicken. Mix and let it cook. Don't add water because the chicken releases a lot of moisture and water already. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Let it cook. When the water gets evaporated, then add 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin and add in 1/6 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken korma is ready. Remove all the whole spices before serving. Dish out, serve, and enjoy.